Problem 41, I believe it takes a little bit of creativity here. So looking at this identity, we could get a common denominator here, but what I'm seeing is I see a cosine squared here, and I know that sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. And if I solve for cosine squared, I notice that cosine squared is 1 minus sine squared. Oops, I put that in there anyway. So cosine squared is 1 minus sine squared, and then 1 minus sine squared factors to 1 plus sine, 1 minus sine. So I'm kind of preparing to cancel that 1 plus sine, and therefore I don't need to get a common denominator here. Normally we do want to get one fraction, but and if we did that, we could. That would be one route, but I'm kind of seeing this here, so let's go ahead and go that route. 1 minus, and then in the numerator we just said cosine squared can be rewritten as this whole thing here, 1 plus sine times 1 minus sine. And so let's go ahead and write it like that. 1 plus sine of theta times 1 minus sine of theta. And that's all over 1 plus sine of theta. So therefore, we can just cancel the 1 plus sine of thetas. And we have 1 minus the sine of theta. So don't forget to distribute that minus sign to both of those. So we have 1 minus 1 plus the sine of theta. And that's the ones cancel, and we just get sine of theta. So I suppose you could get, like I said, you could get a common denominator there, and it would still work out, but I just kind of saw a little shortcut instead of getting that common denominator.